You've probably seen these headlines: American tourists found dead in their hotel rooms. The cause? Carbon monoxide poisoning, and most hotels abroad don't seem to have detectors. So now I bring my own. This is a battery operated carbon monoxide detector. It's compact and it works anywhere in the world. Unlike plug in models, this one doesn't rely on adapters or outlet voltage, and that's the beauty of it. I don't have to worry about what kind of plug that they use in Europe or whether it's safe to use in South America or Asia. I always run a quick test before I pack it, and then it goes right in my suitcase with my first aid kit. It's just one more layer of peace of mind. This works anywhere, no questions asked. Just pop in fresh batteries before your trip and you're good to go. Carbon monoxide is called the silent killer for a reason. You can't see it, you can't smell it, and by the time you feel it, it might be too late. Most places don't have one, so I bring my own detector. It's not glamorous, but it may be the most important thing that I pack. I am the Modern Mavennial, and I test things so that you don't have to. Except for your carbon monoxide detector, you should definitely test that.